Where the price will go for DJT, Trump Media Technology. This stock jumped big time, 100% in just the last month. And now we still want to have another jump because if you see in the big picture, we see that the price reversed as we discussed from this bearish channel and now entering another bullish channel up. So in today's video, we have to discuss what we should do tomorrow on Monday because we might have a gap up. So we have to prepare for the action before it happens, because once the market open tomorrow, we're gonna see a huge volatility and you can do anything if you're not prepared. It's the same if you have a hurricane coming. If you're not prepared, you might get killed. You have to be prepared before the hurricane will come. The same for DJT. We have a hurricane big coming because as you can see here from the channel, we have a huge test. That's why we didn't break the 27 last Friday. We're going to discuss why and what we should do by tomorrow. As we said, guys, we always do this, discuss mini stocks on our Discord and Bitcoin. So if this is the first time for you, you can join us on our Discord and Bitcoin, where we discuss mini stocks before it jump. And of course, we discussed DJT before it jumped here on our 100 channel. And as you can see here, last time we discussed DJT, it was on October, beginning of October. And of course, before that, we discussed Endo and of course DJT before the major jump that we did back then. And we discussed the entry. And of course, we already took some profit on DJT, as you can see here. And we still trading DJT by entering and then taking profit on the way up. And of course, tomorrow we're going to do a live streaming, so you can join us on our Discord. The live streaming that we do early on Discord and Patreon around 7 a.m. Eastern time or 1 p.m. CET if you live in Europe. And of course, we're going to go live after that on YouTube around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So join us for tomorrow, guys, and hit the like, subscribe to our channel to be notified once we go live. For now, guys, what we should expect and what we should do. First of all, let's discuss what's happened on Friday. On Friday, we have a bit of struggle around the 27 because we're testing this channel from above. The good thing is we have a huge buyer over this gap that we did back on Friday over the 2450. So by tomorrow, guys, everything will confirm at the market open. So if in the pre-market we broke the 27, hallelujah, is me, the short sellers or the buyers started to buy again over the 2450, and we're gonna have a huge jump up. So this is the most important and critical zone for DJT to hold before the market open or even after the market open over the 2450, because if we broke this level, we're gonna go down. If we held, we're gonna go up. Simple as that. But in the pre-market, we're gonna get the first confirmation for that, which is holding over the 2450 and breaking over the 27, or to be clear here, around the 27 exactly. So the other resistance around the 2770, but once we break the 27 will be a good indication that the short seller started to back up, and this will give us the 2926, which is the current profit taken before the market open or around the market open, because this is we expect another 16%. As you can see here, the pattern here, we always have a jump of 10%, 15% before a huge jump down. So we expect at least 15, 16% for DJT by Monday, at least if we broke the 27 and we held the 2450. On the other hand, this will be a great strategy to do for DJT, for my opinion. If we broke the 2450, we're gonna have a huge dip toward the 2332. This will be a magical number, because here we have a huge whale holding the line to buy the dip for DJT around the 2332. So we have two critical levels for DJT. The 2332, which is the dip reversal for entry, for whale buying the dip, of course, and the other level, which is the 27, which is the major level that we have to break to confirm that we have another bullish run up. So the 27 for a breakout up for a bullish momentum continuation, and the 2332 is the dip and the pullback down and confirming that we're gonna have a bit of red day before I continue up. Because guys, if we go in a big picture, every stock that jump like this have to have a pullback. It's like a rocket going up. It need to have a little a pullback because of gravitation pull. And of course, we need more power in order to escape the gravitation pull of the Earth and enter the orbit. So right now, DJT is not in the orbit yet, but it's still nearing the orbit level in order to be on the stable level over the $50 and then going toward the $100. And everybody say this is depending on the election, and if Donald Trump actually won the election, this will be a crazy bet. And of course, Donald Trump could this stock actually jump huge after this news. Right now, everybody's saying that Donald Trump have like competition neck and neck right now with Harris. That's why we have the price jumping on this news, because it's imminent. The winning for the election for Donald Trump is actually nearing. That's why everybody jumping and buying before that, because they know once the election will be over and Donald Trump will be elected as a president, this will be a big, huge news, and will be too late because the price will jump overnight, almost 50 or 100%. It could happen because it already happened before. I'm not saying this is as a financial advice, guys, because we're not financial advice here. We always suggest for everybody to do due diligence before they put your money on the line. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. For the time being, why we go in a big picture? To show you one thing here. You see this bullish channel? We have overextension for the price once we jumped on Monday on the 7th of October. You see, we have a huge jump and we didn't have a pullback. So what's going to happen here? If we don't break the 27th, it's not a big deal, because as we said, the price is over extended and we need to have a bit of pullback to test the channel from below around the 21-22 here. But the first level that we're going to test and reverse from is around the 23.32. But even if we went around the 21.65, it is still okay, because as you can see in the technical, we need to have a pullback to reverse there around the 21.65 to continue to go higher. Technically, even if we went down, it means we are recorrecting for the bullish trend and is not bearish yet, and it's not a sell-off, even if we went down 13% by the next week. So I'm just showing you first the smaller picture. Now I'm showing you the big picture to see what's going to happen. Even if we pull back down, there's a chance for a perfect entry for a reversal and going up toward almost the $30 as we discussed for DJT. And of course, we're going to discuss DJT in depth, everybody, by tomorrow on Monday. So hit the like, subscribe, because we're going to go live around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So join us for live action for DJT about how to enter and how to exit. And of course, the better entry and exit for those stocks for DJT. Most of the action happen in the pre-market around the 7 a.m. Eastern time. So join us on our Discord and Patreon. The link in comment section below. And thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.